Hi, my name is Diatsani and welcome to the Women Coding Community 2025 Mentorship. Yay! So, to get started, we have created some resources for you, and the first thing is the personal progress tracker. Once you are here, and you should have this link in your email, both the mentor and the mentee. The first thing to do before you even do anything tracking is to duplicate this template. And once you duplicate it, add it to your workplace, and we're ready to get started. So, after duplicating the template, read the code of conduct. You and your mentor should click on this and read the code of conduct between both of you. Next step after reading the code of conduct is to come back into the page and fill in like your information in this field. Next step is showing here attendance, but we will not even get to attendance yet, because if you're having your first meeting between both of you, you need to scroll past the attendance and scroll into the introduction meeting. In this first meeting, you have to set the tone for what you want to achieve in this mentorship. You click this link, introduction meeting, and go to this page. In this page, you have to outline the goals. What do you want to achieve? And how do you want to achieve it? Then the preference, the system preference. Do you want to meet weekly with your mentor or twice a month? Do you want to dedicate like 10 hours or 2 hours? If there's still additional information you want to add to this first meeting in order for both of you to have it and refer back to this, you can add it here. Once you're done with all of that, just click away and navigate back into the personal tracker page. Get to the goals part. And in this part, you can pull what you just did into this part and always display the goal. So how to do that is click this plus over here, click the plus, and maybe you want to do it as a table. And from this existing database, you will click this goals one, the one that you just created into in the introduction meeting. And once you click that, you get to see what the goals that both of you have agreed on and what you need to keep track of and keep in mind as you move through this mentorship. Now you're done, with the goals, with the actions that you hope to achieve and all of that, and you're putting your goals here and you're done with the meeting. The next step, this is very important, and this will determine who gets the certificate, is to click this attendance tracker, and this is open to everybody, and the mentor or the mentee can fill in this attendance tracker after each session or meeting of you. So to fill in your attendance, all you need to do is scroll down, and you can see some of the mentee. This is for the mentee. Some of the mentee have met with the mentor and the dates they met. So now you and your mentor are done with your meeting. What do you want to do? How do you fill in your attendance? All you need to do is click this three dots, and it should pop up for you, and you can refresh. And let's say you can't see your name in this list, just write your name here, Adoni, then create Adoni. If your mentor is not on this list, just click on this and start writing. So let's say Irat, then create. Then choose the date that you guys met, click away. Then, is this the introduction meeting? If it's the introduction meeting, is session one. If it's the second meeting, it is session two. And you're done. You're done filling your attendance. Now you have to be able to track like the progress. And then you come back to the first page, and you scroll all the way down to the progress board. In this progress board, you fill in your progress. Okay, goal one, I have been able to achieve like applying to three jobs. Now I want to track another progress. Maybe goal 3, which was to get interviews. I got 4 interviews. So this is kind of like being able to refer back to you've created the goals. Are you actually achieving these goals? And how are you achieving it? Being able to track the progress and the progression. And that is the end of, everything we've prepared for you as a template in order to make this program and this mentorship be successful and impactful for you and your mentor. Thank you.